Hello, 45 Alpha Charlie Papa Channel, and this is going to be a 45 DIY segment. Now, I put a poll up on the channel. You told me go ahead and put some of my other stuff on there, so I'm going to go ahead and put some other interest of mine. My regular content is not going away. That will still be a weekly thing. This is probably going to be every once in a while as I make it. I'm just one guy doing this channel. I do everything pretty much on the channel, except for I do get some talent every once in a while. But just recently, my mom passed away, and you can see I've got my Give Cancer Both Barrels shirt on today in honor of her. And this is one of her sugar cookie recipes that, as a kid, I absolutely love. I continue to make it. Everybody raves about it. It's a little bit different sugar cookie than what you would normally get. So we're going to go ahead and put this, make these cookies today for Christmas. It's the holiday season. So we're going to make us some Christmas cookies in honor of my mom. Now, if you are have a nut allergy, this recipe is not for you, although you can probably leave the nut part out of it. I just don't know how well it would taste without it. Anyway, we're going to try this out, give this a shot. We're going to start with, let's see, 1 cup of soft butter, so 2 sticks, an egg, and 1.5 cups of sugar. Let's go ahead and get this mixed up. Sugar. Medium speed, beat butter, sugar, and eggs until light and fluffy. All right, we've got that beat together. Next step is 1/2 cup of sour cream. Now, I can't find my 1/2 cup measuring cup, so we're going to put 2 1/4 cups in there, which equals 1/2 cup. Imagine that.
Hooray, math.
Yes, hooray, math. All right. And then, teaspoon of vanilla, because vanilla makes everything taste better.
I have a feeling some people beg to differ on that one.
Probably the most widely used ingredient in the world, vanilla. Because it's just so delicious. Go ahead and beat this in low speed, get this nice and creamy. Nice and creamy. Okay, now we start adding some of our dry ingredients. It calls for a teaspoon of baking soda. That's powder. So baking soda. Half a teaspoon baking powder. A teaspoon of the magic ingredient for these cookies, nutmeg. And I usually use a heaping because, I like nutmeg. Half a teaspoon of salt. go ahead and get that mixed in, and then we're going to start adding 4 cups of flour. And this is where we change over to our blade here. Mixing blade for dough, thicker dough. There's 3.
Should have gotten close.
And let's finish up mixing this. We got 4 cups in there. And we've got our dough. Now this needs to go in the refrigerator for a couple hours to get cold and harden up a little bit so that we can roll it out and make cookies.
Yeah, those are supposed to be for the cookies.
Shh. Alright, once the dough has set in the refrigerator covered for at least a couple of hours, usually we let it sit overnight, you're going to want to take the dough out, take about a baseball size worth of dough, put it on a floured surface to roll it out. You're going to roll it out to 1/4 inch thick. Then you're going to cut it out. Now, this being the holidays, we're using holiday shapes, angels, snowmen, stars, all that fun stuff. But you could just use circles if you so choose. Once you get these cut out, put on a pan. You can lightly grease the pan if you want. We never have. It never seems to have been a problem. You're going to put it in an oven at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. When you pull it out of the oven, if you want to, at this point, sprinkle them with sugar, you can, or let them cool and frost them like we are doing here. Now, we are just basically using cake frosting that you buy from the store. It's quick, it's simple. We make different colors with it. The kids really enjoy it. They enjoy making them. It's just a great time to spend with your family. So, this is 45 DIY. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching. Check out my other channel if you're into that stuff. I'm out.